Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Srivastava here. Today I am going to talk about simplify your life. It is a simple task to make things complex, but a complex task to make them simple. Mayer's Law. This is from Brian Tracy's book Focal Point. This is a wonderful time to be alive. The incredible rate of change we are experiencing is creating more opportunities and possibilities for us than before. You have more options in more areas than you ever had before, and the number of options available to you is increasing every day, every month. At the same time, we all are overwhelmed with the choices that we have. There are so many things to do and so much time to do. So how do we prioritize? How do we make sure that we get the things right? That is what this chapter is all about. Here, what happens? We get a simple task, and sometimes we get caught in dilemma. What exactly we should do? Uh, you want to fulfill your potential and achieve everything that is possible for you at work. You want to earn the greatest amount of money in the shortest period of time. You want to be the great success in your career. But at the same time, you do not want to sacrifice your family life, your relationships, your health, and the personal activities that are so important to you. You want to have it all. You want far greater accomplishment on one hand and far more balance and simplicity on the other hand. The good news is that we have a system that can provide you. That good news is that there are people who have already done it. We can adjust it to our need and get done it. Be able to do it. So a starting point for simplification is for you is to reduce the number of things you do in your work and in your personal life. You can control your time only to the degree to which you discontinue tasks that are of little value to you. You must stop doing some of the things that you have become accustomed to doing over years. You may even have to stop doing some things that you do well and you enjoy. As a result of many years of study and practice, Brad Tracy has developed a law of complexity. What exactly it talks about? Let's say we have to make a call. If we make a call by ourselves, the complexity is 1. But if, let's say, we delegate it to someone else for making that call, complexity suddenly rises to 4 because there are 2 touch points required. And if you delegate it to third or fourth or fifth, complexity exponentially increases as as the number of touch points are involved there. Here is a good example about how mortgages are made, or how insurance is given. Uh, Earlier in insurance industry, there used to be multiple steps involved to get the insurance certified. So it used to take 5 to 6 weeks before we will have our insurance ready when we apply. So by applying the law of complexity, the process has been reduced, and now we can apply and we can get the results in a couple of days. So that is what the power of simplifying is, and that is what we need to implement in our life to all the tasks that we do. And in next chapters and onwards, next topics and onwards, we will break it down how to simplify our life and how to make it more productive. With that, I am done today. Looking forward to share my thoughts next time. Thank you.